Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video, and today I will be trading regular currency pairs on the platform Pocket Option. And I have my three moving averages that I've set up here. The first moving average is the 10 EMA, 10 exponential moving average, which is the white line here. The second moving average will be the 50 period exponential moving average, which is the green line. And in addition to that, I've set up a third moving average, the 200 simple moving average, 200 period simple moving average, which is the green line, which is the red line here, which gives me an overall idea what the trend in the market is. Here on this particular pair, USD JPY, it's showing a general bullish trend here as the line is sloping upwards. All right. In addition to that, I have my candle set to 15 seconds, regular Japanese candles, and I'll be taking 1 minute trades, 60-second expiries. Okay, I'm going to pause the video and look for a setup. Okay, so I'm back on the US dollar, Canadian dollar currency pair. And first step was I looked at the 10 EMA crossing the 50 EMA. Secondly, waited for the retracement of the price back to the 10 EMA line. In addition to that, you see there's the red line, which is the 200 SMA, is showing a upward trend, a bullish trend, which is a confirmation that uh, the price will continue in a upward direction, a bullish direction. And so this trade looks good. Let's wait for the expiry. Okay, good. We won that trade. All right, so let me pause the video and look for another setup. Okay, so I'm back on the Great British Pound Aussie dollar pair, and I just took a sell trade. Waited for the first step. Waited for the crossover of the 10 and the 50 EMA, and then waited for the retracement back to the 10 EMA line. In addition to that, the red 200 SMA showing a bearish trend, a downward trend. And so all the confirmations were there. So let's wait for the result of this trade. Okay, so that was good. We won that trade, increasing our balance. All right, so let me pause the video and look for another trade. Okay, so I am on the Euro JPY currency pair, and I took the a bearish trade. First things first, 10 EMA crosses the 50 EMA, and then I waited for the price to retrace back to the 10 EMA line, uh, expecting the price to respect that 10 EMA line. In addition to that, the red 200 SMA line shows a slightly bearish trend in the market. So all three confirmations for the setup have been met. So let's wait for the expiration of this trade. Oh, wow. Yeah. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so let me pause the video and look for one more trade. Okay, so I'm on the Euro Swiss franc currency pair. First step, waited for that crossover of the 10 EMA with the 50 EMA line here. Then waited for that slow retracement back of the price back to the 10 EMA line. In addition to that, if you see the 200 SMA line, it's showing a bullish momentum, a bullish trend in the general movement of the currency. So I took that buy trade. And so another thing I wanted to mention is that I'm trading during the New York session. So when you're trading these pairs, it's best to trade during the London or the New York session where there's more price action happening. Okay, so great. We had a great session here, 4 for 4. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. This strategy has been doing extremely well for me. This is my go-to strategy for trading the markets. I have a link to the platform in the video comments, in the comments of this video, and in the channel description. Yeah, so don't forget, trade during the New York session or the London session. If you trade any of the other sessions, you may not get the results you're looking for because uh, you want the market to be liquid and a lot of movement in the price. Okay, so thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, comment on the video, and I'll respond to your comments. Thank you for watching. Gus Schmidt.